Hi guys, Nathan here from Tentworld Brendale. Today I'm going to show you the Darche Firefly Compact Directors chair. Okay, as the name suggests, compact chair, so we're looking at 50 centimetres across here, 55 deep, 16 across the bag there, okay? So fits in some nice nooks and crannies in your caravan or whatever else. Okay, we're just going to open up the bag here. The chair's got its own convenient carry handle. Leave this one up the car. We walk it down to the beach. Alright, opening them up, we're just going to lift up the sides here, and the backrest actually lifts. Now with the internal bars at the seat here, I'm just going to push out until it clicks into place. Alright, so the little lock's just here. Alright, so 600 denier fabric, padded backrest, and also a padded support here on the actual seat. Okay, nice wide seat, padded armrests, side table, side organiser. Alright. So pretty sturdy for a compact chair. A lot of these chairs that fold down small will actually do lose a bit of their stability. I really think it comes down to the locking mechanism in this one. We can actually physically pick this chair up and it's not going to fold up on us, okay? Alright, folding him down. So, little button here, we're just going to have to depress that and slightly pull up on the actual canvas here, okay? Just till you get to that point. Chair fabric folds back into the chair. Now come up. Backrest down, and it all folds over the top. Right, into its bag, or we can just use this carry handle here. Okay, comes with a 2-year warranty from Darche, so any dramas down the track, you could be able to contact them. But yeah, get on down to Tentworld Brendale or any of our other locations and get yourself one of these chairs.